By the end of the video, we'll know step by step, creating your own bodyweight workout plan. Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into a step-by-step guide to create your own bodyweight workout plan. Remember, consistency is key, and this plan can be tailored to fit your unique needs and goals. Let's get started. Step 1. Set a goal and schedule. First things first, decide on the length and frequency of your workouts each week. This will help you stay on track and make sure you're consistent with your routine. Step 2. Warm-up exercises. Before diving into your workout, it's important to prepare your body for the challenge ahead. Start with some light cardio for 5 minutes, followed by dynamic stretches that target the muscles you'll be using during your workout. This will help prevent injuries and ensure you're ready to perform at your best. Step 3. Choose your exercises. Next, pick the exercises that target the areas you want to improve. For example, push-ups for chest and triceps, squats for quads and glutes, lunges for hamstrings and calves. Remember to switch up your exercises for variety and challenge. Step 4. Create a circuit. Now it's time to create a circuit that includes all the exercises you have chosen. Perform each exercise in order, without stopping until you complete them all. Take short breaks if needed before starting again. For example, push-ups x20 squats x15, lunges x10, rest. Repeat cycle 2 times or more depending on fitness level. Make sure not to overdo it at first. Step 5. Cool down with static stretches. After completing your workout, cool down with some static stretches to prevent muscle stiffness or cramps post-workout. Hold each stretch for about 15 seconds while taking deep breaths before moving on to the next stretch. By doing this regularly, you'll reduce any soreness and speed up recovery time between workouts. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to fitness, whether it be with our bodyweight workout plan or any other routine you choose. Over time, you'll see progress in both strength and stamina if you stay dedicated to your goals. Good luck on your fitness journey, everyone. Remember to follow and subscribe for more health tips and advice.